guys, today we will be spinning our fidget spinners at 3 a.m. and right now, well, it's currently 2:57 right now. Where'd it go? As you can see, it's 2:57 right now. So yeah. So spin our fidget spinners. And for this video, we will be turning off the lights, and we will have this flashlight with us to, so we don't die.
Yeah,
let me turn off the lights. Okay, so guys, we got everything set up. All the lights, the flashlights, and yeah, we will be spinning our fidget spinner on this table right here, and see what happens. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spin my fidget spinner first on the table, and I've tested this out. It usually goes like about 2 minutes, so if it goes less, then that is a sign that something is happening, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, oh my god, that shadow. Alright, so guys, it just stopped. Did you see that? It just stopped. Hey guys, this is a little bit freaky because like
I can bag icon.
Yeah. Okay, Harv, you're next.
Okay.
Wait.
What happened?
Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys. So his stopped too, and I'm a little freaked out, but
I didn't bag icon again.
Okay, this experiment spinners here, and we'll just see what happens. So we'll get out. Okay, I don't get out. All right, guys. So we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Oh my god. Guys, there's slime on the fidget spinners. Wait.
Am I?
And it says 6. As you guys can see, it says 6.
Yeah.
And 6 means the devil's number. And it's like fresh. It's like someone just made this.
Bag. Woo.